Welcome to Study USA Hub. If you want to study in the United States, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you on how to study in the USA as an international student. Let's begin your journey to higher education in America. First, research universities and programs that fit your goals and budget. Use online resources like US News, College Board, or Education USA to compare tuition and programs. Create a short list of 5 universities that align with your interests. Next, prepare for tests. Most universities require IELTS or TOEFL. Undergraduate students need the SAT or ACT. Graduate students may need the GRE or GMAT. Prepare early. High scores increase scholarship chances. Apply through their websites or the Common App. Submit documents, including transcripts, a statement, letters, and scores. Highlight your strengths and why you fit each program. Good luck on your journey to study in the USA.
4 through 6 and final thoughts. Studying in the USA is expensive, but scholarships and assistantships are available. Check programs like Fulbright, Global UGrad, and university-based merit scholarships. Apply early and follow instructions. Once you receive your I-20 form, apply for your F1 visa. Pay the SEVIS fee, fill out the DS-160 form, and schedule your visa interview. Be confident about your study goals. That's key. Now, let's prepare for life in the USA. Book your flight, arrange housing, and contact your university's international office. Join student groups online. It will help you make friends. Explore, learn, and grow. That's it, your complete guide to studying in the USA. If helpful, like and subscribe to Study USA Hub. Don't miss our next video, Top 5 Scholarships to Study in the USA in 2025. Thanks.